Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, I hope you all are fine and enjoying at home. Children, in the previous session we have learned digraphs. From previous session we are studying about digraphs, right? So in the previous session what we have learned, can anyone remember? Yes, we have solved some practice sheet, right? So today also we are going to solve some practice sheet, as well we are going to learn some sounds. Okay, so for that take your phonics skill book and come to page number 3535. So children, in the previous session what we have learned? Yes, we have learned these sounds: PH, per sound, WH, were sound, TH, the sounds. Okay, so after these sounds what we have done? We have solved two practice sheet. This is one practice sheet and this one is second. Yes, now you remember what we have done in the previous session? Okay, so children, today we are going to solve some more practice sheet. Also today we are going to learn some vocabularies, right? So come to page number 3636. Sharp your pencil. Okay, are you ready with the pencil? Yes, now I hope you are ready with the pencils. Yes, so children, I hope you have opened this page, which is 3636. Now what is the practice sheet? Fill in the correct sound. Okay, what it is? Fill in the correct sound. Now if you will see, children, these are the pictures. Okay, these are the pictures, and here if you will see, they have given some blank space in these pictures, some blank space in these all the pictures. In front of these pictures if you will see, these words are not completed. Okay, माने beginning words जो है वो यहाँ पर नहीं है, beginning letters are not there, beginning sounds are not there. So what we are going to do is, here sounds are given, right? Previous session also we have solved this like this practice sheet. Do you remember? So what we are going to do is, we have to recognize this picture and we have to see the correct sound over here, and we should write over here. We are going to write here. Okay children, so tell me, which picture is this? Yes, which picture is this? This is frozen. What it is? Frozen. ओके, जमा होना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, फ्रिज है आपके घर में, राइट? अगर आप ऊपर के एकदम टॉप लेवल के बॉक्स में देखते हो तो वो पूरा फ्रोजन हुआ रहता है ना, अंदर जो है उसके अंदर पूरा आइस जमा हुआ रहता है, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन एग्जाम्पल विच इज फ्रोजन. सो हियर FR, फ्र, OR, or FL, fleur. Okay, so here if you will see, these are the blank space and we are going to write correct sound in front of each picture. Okay, just repeat after me children. FILL, feel. IN, in. THE, the. CORRE, CT, correct. SOUND, sound. Fill in the correct sound. PRACTICE, practice. Okay, so say FR, fr, FL, fleur. Okay, actually what it is? Fr or fleur. Okay, this is not a sound. This is fr or fleur. From this both sound we are going to write here. Okay, we have to recognize it. So here what we should write? Frozen, FR. Say and write FROZEN, frozen. Frozen माने जमा होना. Okay, next, can you see which picture is this? What it is? Can this picture relate to frag or flag? What it is? Yes, flag. Right here, F-L-A-G, flag. Say and write with beautiful handwriting. F-L-A-G, flag. Say and write. F-L-A-G, flag. Completed? Okay, next picture. Which picture is this? Is this related to flute? Then these are fruit, right? So what we should write here? F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Next picture. Which picture is this? Is this related to frog? Then what will be the answer? What will be the sound? Frog. Very nice. So write the spelling. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Frozen. Repeat after teacher. Frozen. Flag. Fruit. Frog. Completed? Come to this picture. Which picture is this? Yes, very good. This is a flower. So what we should write here? Which sound we should write here? Flower or flower? Flower. F-L. Very nice. So write here F-L. Yes. Next picture. Which picture is this? Which sound relate to this picture? Fry, F-R-Y, fry, or F-L-Y, fly. Which sound we should write here? Fly. Very good. So write here F-L-Y, fly. Say F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-Y, fly. Next picture. Come to this side now, and here they have given, here in this practice sheet, if you will see. Okay, now come to this side, children. What you can see here? Gr or gl. G-R, gr, or G-L, gl. Okay, what it is? Come on, repeat after teacher. G-R, gr. G-L, gl. Okay, so here are some pictures, and in front of this picture we are going to write the correct sound. Okay, now tell me what it is. Globe, G-R, globe, or G-L-O-B-E, globe. Which sound will come over here? Yes, very good. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Globe माने पृथ्वी, जिसमें हम लोग रहते हैं, राइट? G-L-O-B-E, globe. Say, repeat after teacher. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Yes? Come to this side. What it is? This is muffler or gloves? Gloves. It is gloves. Okay. So, which sound is related in front of this picture? Gloves or gloves? Yes. G-L, gloves. So, what we are going to write? G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. Say and write. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. Okay. Come to next picture. What it is? Which fruit is this? Grapes. Very good. So write here. G-L, grapes we should write, or G-R, grapes we should write. Which sound? Yes. G-R. G-R. A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, P-E-S, grapes. Okay, here what you can see children, ये किसके जैसा दिखता है पिक्चर? हाँ, कौन सी दुकान है ये? किराने की दुकान है ना, सो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल टू दैट किराना दुकान? किराने की दुकान को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इन इंग्लिश? ओके, दीज आर द क्लू, राइट? सो GL ग्लोसरी और GR grocery, what will be the answer? Yes, grocery. So write here GR, GROCERY, grocery. GROCERY, grocery. Okay, come to this picture. Which picture is this? Is this a glass or grass? Yes, this picture is a GRASS, grass, or GLASS, glass. Which sound we should write here? Which sound relates to this picture? Yes, GLASS, glass. GLASS, glass. Yes, completed. Okay, now last picture. Which picture is this children? Which sound relate to this picture? Grass or glass? ये घास है ना, in Hindi we call it घास. So what I should write here? What we are going to write? GRASS, grass, or GLASS, glass? Yes, grass. So GRASS, grass. Yes, completed till here. Will you repeat after me one more time? Frozen, flag, fruit, frog, flower, fly, globe, gloves, grapes, grocery, glass, grass. Okay, till here have you completed? Now come to page number come to page number, which page number is this? 3737. Have you opened this page, all of you? Now I hope you have opened page number 3737. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn one more sound, not one, two sounds we are going to learn, which is double S sound and double L sounds. Okay, so children, if you will see in this all the words, in these all the vocabularies, these are the vocabularies, right? So in these all the vocabularies, in these all the sounds, 2 times S is there. Okay, दो बार लेटर S आए हैं. Yes, sorry, दो बार लेटर S आए हैं, माने हर एक के स्पेलिंग में अगर आप देखते हो तो 2 times S आए हुए हैं. So these are the double S sound. Okay, these are the double S sound. Now first, GLASS, glass. What it is? GLASS, glass. Next, GRASS, grass. Grass, glass माने कांच. Grass, घास. CLASS, class. Class माने कक्षा. Okay, now you are in which class? UKG. आप कौन से कक्षा में हो? UKG के, like this. Okay, next, DRESS, ड्रेस. ड्रेस माने जो हम लोग पहनते हैं, जो हमारा पहराव होता है, पोशाक होता है, उसको हम ड्रेस बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, CHESS, chess. Chess, this is chess माने there is one game, the name of that game is chess. Okay, next, CROSS, cross. क्रॉस माने पार करना, उस तरफ जाना. ओके, CROSS, क्रॉस. TASS, पास माने उत्तीर्ण होना. ओके, like example, आप last year you were in LKG standard, right? So after passing now you are which standard? UKG. Now coming 2022 in new academic year you will be in first class after the passing. Okay, so children, cross माने CROSS, cross माने पार करना. PASS, पास, उत्तीर्ण होना. Okay, now last year you were in LKG standard. Yes, after the passing now you are in UKG standard, right? So next, PRESS, press माने दबाना. Okay, PRESS, press. Next, LESS, less माने कम. In quantity it is less. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, अगर कुछ चीजों के बारे में हमें अगर बोलना है तो व्हाट वी से, जो चीजें हैं वो क्वांटिटी में कैसे है? लेस है. सो LESS, less. Understood? So children, if you will see in these all the words, in these all the sounds, ending, while ending these words, it is with, if you will see, these are the double S sound. Okay, now come to this side, double L sound. What it is? Double L sound. If you will see in all these words, while ending, how many times double L is there? 2 times. So it means double L sound. Okay, so first is BALL, ball. Yes, what it is? BALL, ball. हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, right? We play cricket. So that time what we use? Yes, in pair, what comes? Ball and bat. Understood? Next, CALL, call. Call माने phone लगाना. Yes. Next, DOLL, doll. Doll माने toy. Next, HALL, hall. What it is? HALL, hall. Hall माने क्या? बहुत एक आध ऐसा रूम है जो रूम बहुत बड़ा है. We can celebrate anything over there. We celebrate birthdays, right? So we call it as a hall. Next, FALL, fall. गिरना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. FALL, fall. Next, MALL, mall. Mall, what is the meaning of mall? जिसको हम लोग शॉपिंग सेंटर भी बोलते हैं. मॉल एक आध बहुत बड़ी ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे हम लोग सभी चीजों की शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. देन इट विल इंक्लूड, इन दैट इंक्लूड ग्रोसरीज, क्लोथ्स, योर टॉयज, एनीथिंग, राइट? सो दैट वी कॉल एज अ मॉल, शॉपिंग सेंटर वी कैन कॉल इट. TALL, टॉल. टॉल जिसको हम लोग हाइट से टॉल बोलते हैं. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, जिराफ. And second is elephant. Elephant is short by his height, but comparatively giraffe is tall with his height. Yes, so TALL, tall, जिसको हम लोग ऊंचाई की तरफ की बोलते हैं. Okay, next, WALL, wall. WALL, wall. Next, YELL, yell. Yell माने चिल्लाना. Yes. Now children, what we are going to do? This is double L sound and here double S sound. Yes. Now show me your magic fingers. Come on. Yes. Now what we are going to do? We are going to read these words. Yes. So put your finger below each letter. Okay. And listen it carefully and pronounce it. Sound it very clearly. Understood? Say double S sound. Double S sound. Okay. GLASS, glass. GRASS, grass. CLASS, class. DRESS, dress. CHESS, chess. CROSS, double S, cross. PASS, pass. PRESS, press. LESS, lace. Okay, double S sounds. Come to this side. BALL, ball. CALL, call. DOLL, doll. HALL, hall. FALL, fall. MALL, mall. TALL, tall. WALL, wall. YELL, yell. Okay, these are the double L sound. So children, I hope till here you understood. So children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is double S sound and double L sound. Yes, also we have solved one practice sheet. So children, we are concluding over here. There are some more sound which we are going to learn in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.